Okay? So practice that with your partner. So the other one, with the two hands or one hand. Okay, lightly touch. Focusing first on the pivoting of the foot. Pivot. Look at the back, bracelet. Look at the bracelet. Pivot. Then go back to original position.
You can take your first step. It's not gonna happen.
Okay, so turn. Yeah, come on. Make it 180 degrees.
Kailangan sa'yo natin.
Yeah, 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Bilis pa lang naman. Ang nahabil natin dito yung pivoting. Don't step. Just from there. Yes. Yan mismo. Kaya, hands up. If you're going to receive the kick, this way, sideways. Not in front of you. No, let this.
Which yeah.
Okay, back leg. Let's go. Oh, control. Dito mas control. Don't jump. From the same spot. Look. From the same spot. Turn. No need to step. Yeah, no need to step. More turning.
What do you know what to do? Do you know what to do?
More turning. Sa back. Kulang pa. Focus kayo sa turn, and then the hips will follow. Yeah. Then, after you finish, go back to your original position. Okay? The kick comes from the back. Then back. See, nag-hop ka, di ba? Stay put. Yan na. Stay put. Iba pa yung stepping. Iba pa yun. You want to be more efficient. Kasi ito lang, you're already giving signal to your opponent. Eh pag nag-step ka pa, lalo kong nakita yan. So, try to be a little bit more, what do you call this? Ergonomics. Titipid ka sa movements. Tipid. Stay in your place. See, hindi na ko yung bracelet mo eh. Kung saan ka mag-release ka. Stay there.
But that's how it would happen. You hear popping it up. So, you had set up that instead.
Iba pa yung step eh. So, right now, we're focusing on the bracelet. Did you exchange? Okay.